Okay, so I just kind of, yeah. This is my second time recording this, so, and it's still not over. This person's literally just showing off. I like, there's no way I could possibly beat them. And they're just, look, this one card alone could single-handedly beat me, but they're just showing off and not ending the game. So I don't know, I might just keep on going on until their deck and my deck is empty. Are they just gonna forfeit? Like, just hit me. It's a flying card, so it can move over both of these. Okay, so you're also gonna do this. This person must just, like, hate humanity. Wow, I think I'm going to wait 6 hours and then play one more card that won't do anything, so that I can get this person to forfeit. But guess what? I'm not forfeiting. Look, I'm hitting my fist on the table. Nice. Good game. Oopsie. Hello. I don't understand. Please go. Welcome to Magic the Gathering Arena, where people do this type of stuff every day, apparently. This is literally the second match I've ever played, and I just used like this random deck I made. Look, it's an Illuminati. Okay, now can you please kill me? Come on, like, I can't beat you. I don't have any cards that can beat you. Okay, so do they just fail when they run out of these? Is what's gonna happen. This is actually starting to get annoying because I've waited like the past 20 minutes. It still hasn't beat me. Whoa, I won! They just gave up? Wow, look at all those coins I got. Ah, Nito Burrito. Let me get a pack. Okay, let's see what's in this pack. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, opening up the pack now. Okay, so an uncommon wild card. Pretty nice. Another duplicate. Ryle deal 1 damage to target creature you control. Okay, good job. Let's see what this thing is. Destroys target creature. Okay. Whenever Emperor Vanguard deals combat damage to a player, it explores. Explore. Reveal the top card of your library. Put the cards into your hand and learn otherwise but a +1/+1 encounter on this creature. Then put the card back or put it into your graveyard. Okay. So that's gonna end it for today. Bye.